banks do two basic things, all banks, whether they're large money center banks or small community banks. Banks have two primary functions, and they collect deposits and make loans. Now, they do a lot of different things. They provide other services, investment services, trust services, 401k plans, and they do a lot of different things. But if you go back and look at basic banking, they collect deposits from the community and they make loans to the community. And of course, that has evolved over time as the markets have changed, as bank structure has changed in Michigan. But that's the basics. And so when you have a long-standing, strong community bank, they are interested in that community, whether it's the home office, the headquarters of the bank, or a branch 20 miles away. They have a standing in that community. They hire local people. They're familiar with every service organization, every business, every church. They are part of the community. And because they live there, generally the shareholders live there as well. And so it's all part of that local community. But the critical piece and the comparison piece for community banking is the deposit side. Any bank can pick up a deposit and take your money and give you a checking account, give you a savings account, or sell you a CD. But not every bank. If they're not in the community, if they're off in New York or Pittsburgh or North Carolina or Texas, they're less likely interested in that small community. And so it's local credit. If you have a young family looking to start a new business, it's a whole lot easier to go to the local community bank where people know you than file an application that may end up in Detroit. It may end up at a desk or a computer in Texas or New York or Columbus, Ohio. So it's the local knowledge, it's the local service to the community that makes community banks so strong. Products and services today that community banks can offer are so similar to what the big banks can offer. And it goes anywhere from a collection of deposits, the electronic part of debit cards and credit cards, of course, all of those things that a big bank can offer a small manufacturing business, a smaller bank can too. So, they have the tools. Those community banks have the tools to service any number up to a size, of course, of the local businesses.